In this episode of Your Young Cellist, we will demonstrate stretches and relaxation techniques that can prevent tension and injury in your students. Teaching these techniques now will help them develop good habits for later in their musical careers.
Before your students begin to practice, they should warm up and relax their muscles, even those we don't associate with playing the cello. A great way to release tension is to practice deep breathing. Breathe out so your lungs are completely empty and your arms are at your sides. While taking a deep breath, circle your arms out and above your head. Exhale as you circle them back down. Repeat 5 to 10 times until you feel relaxed. Great! Now we'll move on to trunk twists. Bend your arms so that they are in a T shape in front of your chest. Twist from side to side from your waist.
Be careful not to overstretch and strain your back.
Next, we'll try some shoulder rolls. Roll both of your shoulders backwards and then roll them forwards. Repeat until you feel loose. Your students will really love our next stretch. This one's called the chicken wing. Place one hand behind your head on your back. Use the other hand to grab your elbow and pull. And repeat on the other side.
Be careful not to pull too hard. You might pop a socket or some tags.
Finally, we'll stretch our fingers. Extend your left hand out in front of you with your palm facing forward. With your right hand, stretch your left fingers back towards your arm. You should feel this in the underside of your wrist. Repeat on the other hand.
Be careful not to pull too hard.
Much more flexible though.
Students should also take breaks in extended practice sessions. They can be as simple as standing up and taking a walk, getting some water, or going to the bathroom. Younger students may benefit most from taking a 5-minute break every 15 minutes. It will help their young bodies and make sure that the time they spend practicing is focused. Older students can increase the amount of time in between breaks to 30, 45 minutes, and finally an hour. Remember, musicians are athletes of small muscle groups and should take care of their bodies just like any other athlete. Happy practicing!